Alma of the Airwaves, Lucky of the Orange Couch. It is 24th of January, 2021. January is almost over. You see, speaking of time flying, yes, it is the 24th of January. The painting above Lucky is my reaction to the bikes that the City of Toronto is renting just in front of my building. You see a picture of them in my video. Okay, today, what happened? I know we mentioned that a few days ago. Do you remember seeing the movie The Secret and reading the book The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, Australian? In 2007, it came out. Now she has the sequel, which is The Greatest Secret. In November 2020, it came out. So it's now The Greatest Secret. It has been controversial, without any doubt. Law of attraction. The biggest controversy that remained from 2007 was that all the footage that actually at that time Esther and Jerry Hicks, Abraham Hicks, put into that was taken out of the movie. And there was a long controversy. There were lawsuits and everything like that. But bottom line, it didn't end up in the movie. So now the new one, the new book, is featuring major spiritual teachers of our time, among them Deepak Chopra and everybody. I'm recommending to check it out. There is tons of interviews she's giving. Rhonda Byrne will be 70 this year. So the idea is that this whole new thought movement, New Age, started based on books which were written long time ago, such as, okay, the one that's the most important one is actually Wallace Wattle. Here is Wallace Wattles, the author of The Science of Getting Rich, a book he wrote in 1910 and now acknowledged as being the inspiration and behind The Secret and The Greatest Secret.